Time to rescue the old Blazer sitting up there in the snow. There's a little bit of a pile up along the edge of the ditch here, but we'll see. I got a jump starter and try to drive her out here. I don't know how that's gonna work out, but we'll give her a shot. I got the jump starter pack, the old 20 gauge. We're good to go. So there's a little bit of snow around it. It ain't too bad. I don't know how it's gonna move because if you look at the tires there, they're a little bit bald and weather checked. We'll see how that goes. The real concern is that ditch. Might have to put a strap on and pull her out, but I'm hoping not. I guess we'll see. I almost had her going. Let's see how she goes. She's so close. She wants to go, but she just won't. What's all that smoke? Oh boy. She didn't start easy, but she started. Oh boy. Alrighty. There we go. Close the door so I don't die of poison. Oh, I better close that hood. Shoot. Oh my god. Oh god. Okay. Alright. Hey. I mean, it's still running. Not well. Okay, it's moving. Okay. Look at all the smoke. Okay, buddy. Alright, let's play a game. Oh, yes! Got her on the road. Let's go. We'll let her run for a hot minute. Look at that snow. Jesus Christ. Oh my god, she's a Blazer. She's just rolling coal non-stop. That's just awesome. Let's take her for a little cruise. I don't see anybody coming. If there is, there's smoke screened out now. Alrighty. Rolling coal. Okay, watch this. We're gonna do a little bit of a, what they call a boost launch. Jesus Christ. That's awesome.